Chandler is always late. Always. We say, hey, be there at 8. It's 8:03. We're pulling in. He texts me, hey, your alarm didn't go off. I'll be there at about 8:15. Classic Chandler David Smith.
What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, Yogi Myers, Ryan Myers, and we are back to buy another car from the Stradman. So with all that being said, let's jump into it. All right, guys.
Yeah. I didn't bring my wallet.
Oh, of course. I've got mine. So today we are at Home Depot. If you follow the channel, you know that Ryan bought my C8. Then he bought his Baja Raptor from the Stradman. I had bought the C8 from the Stradman, and then Garrett just bought his Ferrari from the Stradman, which conveniently I had bought a Ferrari from the Stradman and then sold it back to the Stradman.
Different Ferrari.
We're on our way down to Utah. However, last time we hung out, we realized that James didn't really understand the beauty of smoked meats, and I didn't either until Yogi Myers. And so we wanted to get him a little housewarming gift. So we're looking for a nice Traeger to bring him because he deserves smoked meat in his life.
Everyone deserves smoked meat.
How's the build quality?
Shoddy at best.
Good.
Leave everywhere better than you found it.
That lady was not impressed. The Home Depot lady was like 2 feet behind you.
This is the one. I don't think so. Trust me, Chan, man. My meat's a lot better than yours. People love eating my meat. Don't put that in. That was a joke.
Wow, this one even has those sensors that come with it.
Yeah, those are terrible.
You're just gonna pull this up to the front? Is that how it works? Now you're thinking it through and you're like, yeah, that wasn't a great idea.
This?
Just pulling it up to the front?
I don't want to put one together.
I just think you're supposed to go ask them first.
No.
You can tell it.
Easier pushed than pulled. Get that corn out of my face. Oh, almost tipped it.
People in Utah are not as nice as people in Idaho.
Yeah, dude, everyone is super
Literally
mean.
2 different people took this out of Garrett's hand and started taking it back. And he's like, no, I want to buy it.
Well, and not only that, but they were nasty about it.
They were jerks.
Idaho. Only move there if you're nice.
Garrett. Hook right there. In that bad boy.
You want some forward pull?
Yeah. You guys act like I've never done anything before.
Manual labor has never been your strong suit.
That's not true.
No,
It used to be.
Your grandma hired me to mow her lawn.
Yeah, well.
Dude, that ain't going anywhere.
Yeah, I don't think that's moving.
Let's go find some tri-tip.
I feel like it's my birthday.
Good.
When Andy finished, he goes,
I love Costco.
I need that green.
That's so sick. That lineup is pretty
Dude, his
cool.
lineup has just gotten unreal.
Dude, that Jeep is my favorite thing.
I can't get ready. What are you doing? Looking nice, Yogi. What's up? What's up, Chandler? What's up, guys?
brother?
Are you here to get the Corvette? We're not selling that today.
I thought we were getting the Jeep.
Oh, the Jeep? No. That's my Gladiator. Maybe someday.
We brought some steaks too.
Yeah,
Oh, are
wait for
you
these.
serious? Did you actually? Dude,
ready.
Yogi is the grilling master. Dude, today you're not getting any better. This is amazing.
Let's go.
We gotta invite over the whole crew. I didn't know we were having steak today.
Brought you booze.
Oh, yo, and these are the good. Dude, you guys don't mess around.
Tri-tip, baby.
Alright guys, we just got here to Strad's house and now it's time to break the news that today we are buying Post Malone's car. And when I say we, big W, little E, because Damon's actually going to be the one buying it from the Stradman.
I was gonna say, I thought you were gonna pitch in for a second. I was getting excited, but yeah, I already made this super long Post Malone playlist. All I'm listening to in there is Post Malone from here on out. So super excited to go rip around in it.
So we were really excited because James and Damon messaged and said that we could come along for the ride. And there's nothing I love more than buying cars from Stradman, especially when I don't have to spend any money.
Makes a lot of sense.
So we're gonna go and just get to be part of the whole thing, get to see Damon experience the car. However, we're also gonna introduce you to Damon, and he is starting a new YouTube channel. And believe it or not, Damon does all of the same stuff that I do. So he started in Aptive, he's built a sales region there, he's invested in real estate, and now he's trying his hand at YouTube.
Yeah.
And I love connecting with Damon, just very similar objectives. And you've crushed it. How many units are you at now?
I have 80 units, just over like $20 million in total real estate.
Let's go. So we're always competing, and he's always just a little behind me in real estate.
I'm gonna catch up.
But today we're gonna have fun and go play with some cars.
What's up, dude? You made it.
Dude, we made it.
Congratulations. First Lamborghini.
Dude, super excited.
Damon, welcome to the channel. So Damon lives in North Carolina, and Damon is friends with all these idiots over here. These guys buy all of my cars, and now their friends are also buying my cars.
These idiots.
When I say idiots, that's the most endearing term I could possibly say. I love you guys. You guys are all awesome. And it's not just because you guys buy my cars and you buy me Traegers. Are we cooking? When are we cooking?
We're cooking, bro.
So apparently we're grilling today.
Yeah.
We're headed over to the new house and we're grilling.
Let's do it.
Is that the first time you've had someone come to pick up a car and they just stopped and stepped out in the middle of the road?
I thought you were pointing right there to tell me to get out. That's how and then I thought I was gonna hit you.
Congratulations, Damon.
And officially, congratulations, you have balloons on your Urus. The key, you definitely need the key. I think we need a couple reps. So I'm moving out of the neighborhood in 2 days. Catch him, David! Let's go! Did you see that vertical?
That's some athleticism.
That was some athleticism right there.
Thanks, bro.
Wow. A couple baby reps because I'm moving out of the neighborhood momentarily. So
now
honestly, it doesn't matter.
You never know.
Let's go. That house is sick.
Chandler rolls up to the house. He's like, I got an idea. Let's hear it. Everybody comes to my house and always gets so worried. Like, are they gonna like it? Are they not gonna like it?
No, I love the house.
Oh,
Not
okay,
even about the
okay.
house. You just need to wrap this either pink or purple, and then Ryan will 100% buy it.
Really?
Yeah.
If the
I would
Corvette is
do
pink,
that.
you will buy it.
I would buy the Corvette if it's pink.
Clayton, you don't know this yet, but are we actually serious? Are we actually serious right now?
It was a
I'm
car
actually
thing.
dead serious.
Wait,
about
really?
that.
One of our best friends ordered a Corvette that color.
I
so that's
can't
been the
buy a
issue
blue
all
one
along.
because my best friend
What if
bought
we
a
wrap
blue
the
one.
Lusso pink too?
I like the sound of that.
Okay.
Let's go!
Urus pink? Yes,
I don't
yes, yes. Come on, Damon.
I don't know.
Real men wear pink.
I'm all for it.
I'm down for it. I'm down. I'm down.
Okay, except we got to get a commission going at this point.
Dude, yeah, no, honestly. Who's
have
collecting
to
the
change the
commission?
wheels.
This is insane.
do the wheels.
Wait, okay, so Corvette 458,
Okay.
Ferrari Lusso, Raptor,
Yes.
Urus. That is amazing. That is so many cars, and I
pink.
paid no commissions to anybody whatsoever. Chandler,
Until now.
you should have made a deal. You should have, because you were the first. You were the original. Think about all the money you could have made.
True. Moving forward, we got to get something in place.
We do. It is actually pretty funny.
Dude, it's not a home until the Traeger shows up.
Yeah, it's easier to push than pull, remember? Easier pushed than pulled. You gotta speak to the meat.
Unbelievable. Yes, sir.
It's the barbecue corner.
Did they just stain my concrete? What's going on?
Oh, that's part of my first lesson. I'll clean that up.
It's all right. We still love them.
Just a bunch of styles.
Yeah, and it's, it doesn't.
All right, guys, now we get to go for a little test drive with Damon in his brand new Lamborghini. And we have to listen to Post Malone because this was Post Malone's. I feel like it's only right. but you're not gonna get to listen in because that would demonetize us, and we're not about that. So let's go for a ride.
Let's do it.
So how are you feeling?
Dude, good. It's exciting. I'm excited to get it back home, like on roads that I actually know.
The thing I'm excited about, and I always bring this back in the channel, is the fact that this was paid for with passive income.
All real estate.
The best part. Oh, see it? That sounds like passive income right there. Go, go, go! That sounds so good.
It's like
All right, guys, we made it to the end of the video. It was an incredible day hanging out with the Stradman, buying another car from him, and seeing Damon's enthusiasm with purchasing it. Remember to go check out his channel. He's gonna be doing a lot of fun stuff, and I'm excited to see what he comes up with. But before we go, we gotta hear the car one more time before we get out of here. All right, guys, have a great day.